Hi all, welcome to the tutorial. This tutorial describes the high-level functionality of the Edit Design view. Let's first select a photograph for design. There are two ways to enter the Edit Design view. We will first go via the View Design. I will select the music filter and pick a design I like. I will touch the Edit Design button towards the bottom to take me to Edit Design view. Here, we can double touch a shape to select it. Red border indicates this shape is selected. We are in edit mode, and edit toolbars are visible on both top and bottom. We can change the texture by touching different points in the view. We can use pan gesture to move the shape around. Use pinch zoom to reduce or increase the size of the shape. We can also rotate the object. There are two rotate buttons in the bottom toolbar which allows us to rotate in small increments. Clockwise, counterclockwise. We can also flip the shape, vertically, horizontally. The shapes in the design are sorted in an order from bottommost to topmost shape. We can change the order by the left 4 buttons on the bottom toolbar. Move the shape one order down. Move the shape one order up. Move the shape way to the bottom. Move the shape to the top. To select another shape, just double touch it. Use the navigation button on the top to navigate through the shapes. Touch the trash button to delete the shape. Touch the New button and click OK to clear the design. That is all for now. We will cover other features of Edit Designs in the next video.